Okay guys, another video, another no cool call. The description is very light. It just says the AC doesn't work at all. It's blowing out heat, not to exceed 450. So let's check it out. Hey guys, so this house don't got a staircase. Only reason I'm trying to look up there because I did not hear the fan running when I turned that thermostat on, so gotta get this ladder. Oh, this insulation. Just be careful with the baby. Don't let her come out here. She might get itchy.
Okay, from the fiberglass. Oh, ain't no way.
Hold on, it probably ain't even up here, man.
You could pay me no money to go up there.
It's probably in the garage, yeah, and they just ran the ducts into the attic. Okay guys, I can't find the second level unit. It's the main level. And they got two thermostats, so there gotta be another unit here somewhere. I don't see no zone board. I guess let me go outside, see if there is two units. One line set right here. Wait. Yeah, I'm tripping. This is a line set and this is a line set. Let me, yeah, where that unit at? Okay guys, I can't find that unit. Yeah, they got two units. Where that unit at, bro? And I turned this one on to cool and it didn't come on. So it got two units. So this is the one that's in the basement. This is the one I can't find. Let's see, are they both 2 tons? I can't find it. Unless it's in that staircase. But dang, that's gonna be crazy to get up there. Oh well, it is what it is. You see this thing even calling, bro. Man, it's about to start raining. So we got high voltage. It ain't calling just yet, I guess. Man, it's about to start raining. Oh, damn, that thunder. I don't got no voltage here. I'm about to turn this off, boy. So the issue is inside. Bro, this thing blowing hot air, the heat on. It's on cool. Yo, I can't find this unit, y'all. I'm starting to feel crazy. Why is this line set here? It leads down that way. And the heat is on and I got this thing on cool. Okay guys, I finally found the unit, bro. It's in this closet. This closet in this room. So, let's see why this thing is calling for heat. thing is really heating right now. I got the the thermostat off. Let me make sure I do. Yeah, I got that thing off. See, there's the thermostat over the board. So put this thing on Y and C. We got 24 volts on Y and C. Alright. Let's turn that thermostat, let's get that thermostat off. Oh yeah, it's the thermostat. Just lost power. So yep, it's this thermostat. Let's put it back on, see what it does. Yep. Turns right off. Alright, let me get a new thermostat. Oh, I'm so glad it's the issue is inside. It's raining. It's pouring down. Whew. I got a mess in here, guys. Let's see what I got right here. 2 heat, 1 cool. 2 heat, 1 cool. I stocked up last time, I just haven't. See what I got right here. 1 heat, 1 cool, baby. Yes, sir.
Oh my lord, talking about me and my friends picked guys and got started. Oh my lord.
I hope these wires ain't touching, but alright, we're good. I hear the outdoor unit coming on. There's that fan. That filter. Let me take a picture of that filter. They put a 16 by 20. It should be a 16 by 25. I'll just swap it out. Okay, y'all. Woo. That was a little funny one. I kind of rushed on this one, so I didn't check the pressures. It's raining outside and it's a little chilly anyway, so won't get the correct pressures no way. But I hope everything is good. If not, I'll probably have to get a call back on this one, but I hope the only issue was that thermostat. But oh my goodness, I had a hard time finding that unit, because when I first got there, I asked the tenant, I asked him, you got any closets? And then she went to another, there was two women, and then one of them said, oh wait, let me go to my closet. So I'm assuming she had something in there she didn't want me to see, I don't know. And then they said, no, there's nothing in there. But I don't think they exactly knew what I was looking for. I told them, where's the spot where you change the filters? So, and then I said wherever the furnace is. So I don't think they really knew what the furnace was. Cause they went in that room, in that closet, and they because they went in that closet and then she came out a couple minutes later and said, no, there's nothing in there. So unless she really didn't want me to go in there, or she really didn't know what it was. I think she really didn't know what it was, because when I went in there, you know, I went in there anyways. I didn't see nothing crazy. So, but man, that took up like, I don't know, what, 10, 15 minutes? But yeah, that was a funny one. But yeah, guys, that's it for this one. Calling it a day, going home on this rainy day.